Hello everyone, welcome to part 72 of Laravel 10 series, in which we are first creating the e-commerce setting panel, then we are going to work on the e-commerce website as well. So this is the last video on brands module, and in this video we are going to show the brand select box at add edit product form. Okay, so let's start. See, we able to add the brands in the last video. We able to display the brands, we able to do the add edit brand functionality, delete functionality as well, active inactive. Okay, so now we are going to show these brands in the products so that the client or admin can able to add the brand for every product. Okay, so here in the add product form we are going to show these brands like we are showing the categories. Here we are going to show the brands drop down as well, brand select box as well. Okay, so first thing is, make sure that we have the brand ID in the products table. I'm going to open the products table. If you don't have the brands ID, then please create it. Like this one, brand underscore ID column is required in the products table, similar to the category underscore ID, and the integer value is required for this column, brand underscore ID, in which every product is associated with some brand ID. If the product is not associated, we will add the 0, otherwise the ID of the brand. Okay, so we will make this field the mandatory as well. We will not allow that any product is not having any brand. See, all the products must have some brand. Okay, so now first thing is that this column is already exists, so that's why we will now move to the another step, that is get all brands, so that we can able to show the its drop down. So I'm going to modify the products controller. Here I'm going to modify the add edit product, and in add edit product I'm going to add the brands. Okay, going to get the brands, in fact. Okay, like we are getting the categories, here we are going to get the brands. Okay, I'm going to get brands like this one, I'm going to write, and here in the same way like we are getting the categories, here I'm going to write get brands, and here from the brand model I am going to get all the brands. Okay, here I will simply do it like this, where status must be 1. Okay, and here just get like this. Okay, so we can convert to the array as well. Here I will just do it like this, to array, so it will get converted to the array. So this get brands I am going to return to the add edit blade file. Okay, add edit product blade file, add edit product blade file I'm going to open now, and here I'm going to add the similar drop down like this one. Okay, so I can copy from any of the div. Here I'm going to copy this one, and here in label I'm going to add here the brand ID. Okay, brand ID, and here I'm going to make it select brand, similar to this one select category. Here it will come the select brand, and now instead of this one I'm going to add here the select. Here option will come up like this, and here select name brand ID like this. Okay, and here other than this one name is there ID, we will also add class. We are going to use the form control class, that's why I have not deleted it. Okay, form control class ID, we are also going to give the same ID, brand ID, underscore ID, and other than that no, we are not required this one. I want to remove this one. Okay, so we will check once how it looks. Okay, we need to add here the brand model as well, as we are fetching the brands from the brand model, so we need to include the brand model as well. So now it's fine. So see here, where is the brand? Select brand. Okay, not able to see any brand. Okay, so options. So here we are going to give here the select, here select, and value is empty, and here after this I'm going to add the for each loop, dollar brands as dollar brand, and for each. Okay, so here inside this one I'm going to add here option, here value. Okay, in value brand ID will come. I'm going to add here dollar brand, and then ID of that brand. Okay, that will come up here, and here outside of it we are going to show the brand name. Here I'm going to show the brand name. Okay, so I'm going to check here undefined variable, and here okay, so sorry, get brands is there, I think function, that function is the get brands. I'm going to check in that function add edit product, and here I'm going to check what we are sending. We are sending the get brands, yeah. So we are going to use this one, get brands. So now we are going to refresh and see all the brands have come up. Okay, fine. Now first of all we are going to add the product with the brand. Okay, after that we are going to edit that, we are going to check in edit as well. Okay, so here like if you will click on edit, here also you can see the brands are coming. Okay, so here see, let's do that as well. Okay, so when the product array is not empty with any brand ID, then we are going to select it as well. Okay, like not empty dollar product array, in case of empty we are sending brand ID, and if it is not empty, along with that dollar product brand ID, this one that is coming for that particular product is equal to this brand ID that is coming. Okay, for all brands one by one we are going to check all brands. Okay, in this one this ID, if it both matches, then we are going to select this one. Okay, then we are going to select this particular brand. Okay, so now first of all I'm going to add the brand here, but some issue has come up. We're going to see what issue exactly. If brand ID is not empty, okay, here we need to close this one, and then product I'm going to give some spacing as well, equal to brand ID. Now it seems to fine, and let's see. Yeah, okay, so now I'm going to add the new product with the new brand. Let's add another t-shirt here. Okay, I'm going to select the shoes this time, fila. I'm going to add the fila, but here is no shoes category, so that's why. Okay, we are going to add the t-shirt only. Some Gap t-shirt I'm going to add here, so I'm going to write here Gap t-shirt, and here GT01. Okay, and product color, any product color we can add. I'm going to add the blue once again, and blue, and earlier also we have added the blue color. No issue, you can give the any color. 500, sorry, this one is group code. Okay, 4500, suppose 4500, and product price is 500. Discount is 10%. Product weight is 100 gram, and product images I'm not going to add these for now. Okay, I'm going to click on submit, and we'll see attribute ID. So see, new issue has come up. Okay, so see, it seems that another check we need to add here for the attribute ID, not empty. I'm going to check this one, edit product attribute. In case of edit product attribute, so the issues come like this that we are required to resolve from time to time. And in case of edit product attribute, issue has come because see here the values are not coming, so that's why. So this one, so here the issue has come attribute ID, but we need to check this one, that this must not empty, or if is set, if it comes in is set, then I think then only we are going to take this. Okay, I'm going to test with this one, only then we are required to update this one. Okay, let's see. I hope that the error will not come now. Let's see, I'm not sure though. Command shift R, continue. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to check this one, Gap t-shirt. See, added 2 times, no issue. But we are going to see uh, Gap t-shirt, but brand is not selected. I'm going to check here as well that the brand ID is there or not. See, there is no brand ID because we have not added any brand ID in the add edit product function. Okay, we have not added the brand ID, so that's why. So after category ID we are required to add the brand ID as well, so that's why it's not coming. Okay, so now we need to do that task once again. Okay, so now I'm going to add the another product and make sure that this time the brand ID must get added. Okay, so now I'm going to add the another Gap t-shirt, like the red Gap t-shirt. This time I'm going to write red Gap t-shirt. Only the mandatory fields I'm going to fill. Product code RGT01, product color red, family color red. Okay, and here product price 600, product discount 15% discount. That is enough, I think. Okay, so I'm going to submit this one and we'll see. Going to the last ID, we'll check edit this one, and here see the gap is fine. We able to select the gap. Okay, so we able to select that particular brand, or see the product belongs to this particular brand Gap. So the add edit brand functionality is now working. We able to add these brands, we able to associate this brand with the products. Okay, so now in the next video we will do something else in this admin panel, and very soon we are going to start working on the front end as well. Okay, so please make sure that you will subscribe the channel for all updates, and always join the channel to get the source code. Okay, if you don't have that much time, so you can always get the source code. You can open my YouTube channel, youtube.com/tech developers. Okay, you can open my channel, and from here you can subscribe, and from here you can join the channel. Just you are required to log in into your Google account, Gmail account. Okay, so that you can subscribe as well as the join the channel. By paying small amount you can get the complete source code, so that you can verify it at your end. You can compare the source code, and also you will get the complete support, so that I can help you if you will stuck anywhere. Okay, so I will make sure that you will not stuck anywhere, and you will keep on going and will become expert in Laravel. Okay, so stay tuned for the further videos. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.